Hi, I'm Susan Katz from Brown Harris Stevens. I'm so excited to show you this great duplex on Park Avenue and 85th Street. You are 3 blocks from the Metropolitan Museum of Art and Central Park. Eli Zabar's Eat Store. There's tons of food, restaurants, places to shop. Great light-filled, sunny, south-facing, giant windows. This incredible living room, and also upstairs in the master bedroom, fills the whole apartment with light all the time. The closets are spectacular. You won't even have enough stuff to put in these closets. And yes, I know it's Manhattan, I know it's an apartment, but I'm telling you, you have not seen closets like this. It's just a peaceful, quiet duplex apartment that feels just like a home. You've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs, and the living room, kitchen, and full formal dining room on the main floor. It's a great home. Everyone who's seen it so far has said this is the one they've been looking for, and I'm sure you'll feel the same way.